Have you ever wondered how your favorite creators keep you on their video? Well, today we are going to find out. Let's dive into the world of CapCut. So right here on CapCut, let's go ahead and create a new project. Then we're going to import the video. And this video is gotten from MixKit. MixKit is a website where you can get stock videos, stock music, and stock photos. You can check it below in the description box. So now, the first thing they use is called digital zooms. So to get a digital zoom, first we're going to add a keyframe on scale, and we're going to move few seconds and also increase the scale. Then come somewhere like here. We take the scale back to 100. We add the keyframe. So now this is what you get. So this digital zoom helps keep your audience. It helps focus their attention to only your video. The next thing you're going to be using is called sticky text. And sticky text is what your favorite creators use to trick you. So to achieve that, you're going to come to the text here and add a default text. Let's increase this a little bit. So what you're going to do is come here, go to tracking, go to motion tracking, and you see this yellow box. Place the yellow box on the object you want to track. So let me track the head of this man. Then click start. So now it's true. So here's what you get. It imitates the movement of the man's head. So there you go. See you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And also do well to check the MixKit link down below to get your free stock videos, stock music, and stock photos. See you guys on the next video.